Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is July 29th, 2025, and we're diving into Ecolab's latest earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, Ecolab has just released their second quarter results. Can you give us a brief overview of the company and what we can expect from this report?
Thank you for having me. Ecolab is a global leader in water, hygiene, and infection prevention solutions, with operations in over 170 countries. In their latest report, they've delivered another strong quarter with double-digit EPS growth, driven by value pricing, volume growth, and productivity improvements. We'll be discussing these results in detail today.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Ecolab reported net sales of $4.0 billion for the second quarter, which is a 1% increase. However, organic sales grew by 3%. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
The growth in organic sales was primarily driven by strong performances in the institutional and specialty, pest elimination, and life sciences segments. Despite a 2% unfavorable impact from the sale of their global surgical solutions business, Ecolab managed to achieve a 3% organic sales increase. This was supported by value pricing and productivity improvements, which also contributed to an operating income margin of 17.6%.
And how did this impact their earnings per share?
Ecolab reported an adjusted diluted EPS of $1.89, which is a 13% increase from the previous year. This growth in EPS is a testament to their effective cost management and strategic pricing initiatives.
Segment performance and strategic initiatives. John, let's delve into the performance of Ecolab's various segments. How did the institutional and specialty and pest elimination segments perform this quarter?
The institutional and specialty segment saw a 2% decline in sales due to the divestiture of their global surgical solutions business. However, organic sales grew by 4%, driven by strong new business wins and value pricing. The pest elimination segment reported a 7% increase in sales, benefiting from targeted acquisitions and strong growth in food and beverage and healthcare sectors.
And what about the life sciences segment?
The life sciences segment delivered an impressive 105% increase in operating income, driven by double-digit growth in bioprocessing and pharmaceutical sectors. Additionally, Ecolab digital sales grew by 29%, highlighting the company's focus on digital transformation and innovation.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. John, analysts were forecasting an EPS of $1.90 for this quarter. Ecolab reported an adjusted EPS of $1.89. How does this compare to expectations?
While Ecolab's adjusted EPS of $1.89 was just shy of the $1.90 forecast by analysts, it's important to note the 13% growth from the previous year. This indicates strong underlying performance, despite the slight miss. Looking ahead, Ecolab expects third quarter EPS to be in the range of $2.02 to $2.12, which suggests continued confidence in their growth trajectory.
CEO insights and future outlook. Let's talk about the insights from Ecolab's leadership. What did CEO Christophe Beck have to say about the company's performance and future outlook?
CEO Christophe Beck highlighted the strong execution by the Ecolab team, which led to double-digit earnings growth. He emphasized the company's focus on share gains, value pricing, and leveraging their growth engines like life sciences and Ecolab Digital. Despite the unpredictable macroeconomic environment, Beck remains confident in Ecolab's ability to deliver 12 to 15% earnings growth for 2025.
It sounds like Ecolab is well positioned for future growth. What are the key factors that will drive this?
The key factors include their innovative solutions, strong value pricing, and strategic investments in high-growth areas. Ecolab's ability to adapt to changing market conditions and capitalize on new business opportunities will be crucial in maintaining their growth momentum.
Key takeaways. As we wrap up, Ecolab has shown strong performance this quarter with a 1% increase in net sales and a 13% growth in adjusted EPS. Despite a slight miss on EPS expectations, the company is poised for continued growth with a positive outlook for the next quarter. John, any final thoughts on Ecolab's investment prospects?
Ecolab's strategic focus on innovation, digital transformation, and value pricing positions them well for future growth. Investors should keep an eye on their ability to navigate the unpredictable macroeconomic environment and capitalize on new business opportunities.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Ecolab's performance in the comments below. Until next time.